Most people think making money online in 2026 means sitting on your laptop all day, grinding, posting, replying, hustling nonstop. But what if I told you there's a way to build a system that does the opposite? A business that runs while you sleep, while you're at the gym, while you're watching Netflix. And no, this isn't some fantasy, and it's definitely not one of those get-rich-quick scams you see everywhere. This is something I actually built. And in this video, I'm going to break down exactly how it works, step by step, in plain English. No tech jargon, no coding nightmare, just a real system that uses AI, automation, and smart setup to run almost entirely without me. But before we get into it, let me be clear, this didn't happen overnight. I didn't wake up one day and magically have an automated money machine. It started messy, confusing, even frustrating at times. But once I figured out the structure, everything changed. So let's rewind a bit. It started with a simple idea. I was tired of trading time for money. Every project I worked on required me to be present. If I stopped working, the income stopped too. And that's when I started thinking, what if I could build something that didn't depend on me showing up every day? That question led me down a rabbit hole. AI tools, automation platforms, digital systems, content engines, email workflows. At first, it felt overwhelming. There were too many tools, too many opinions, too many gurus saying different things. But then I noticed something important. Every successful automated business has the same structure underneath it. Not the tools, not the branding, not even the niche, the structure. And once I saw that structure, everything became simple. So here's the system I built. I call it the 3-layer AI automation model. It has 3 parts. Layer 1, traffic engine. Layer 2, AI conversion system. Layer 3, automation income loop. Layer 1, traffic engine. This is where most people get stuck, because they think they need to go viral or spend thousands on ads. But I didn't do either. Instead, I built a content engine using AI. Here's how it works. I feed AI simple content ideas like make money online tips, beginner AI tools, side hustle breakdowns, and it generates short-form content scripts for platforms like TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and Instagram Reels. But here's the key part. I don't try to be perfect. I focus on volume and consistency. Because in 2026, attention is the currency, not perfection. So I post multiple pieces of content daily, all pointing toward one simple idea: learn how to build automated income systems. And slowly, traffic starts coming in. Not overnight explosions, but steady, predictable growth. That's layer 1. Layer 2, AI conversion system. Now this is where things get interesting. Getting views is easy. Turning those views into money is where most people fail. So I built an AI-powered conversion funnel. Instead of manually selling or convincing people, I let the system do it. Here's what happens. Someone watches a video, they click a link in the description. They land on a simple page that explains one thing: how to build your own automated AI income system. No complicated pitch, no pressure, just clarity. Then AI steps in again. It delivers personalized emails based on what the user clicked, watched, and engaged with. So instead of me chasing people, the system educates them automatically. It builds trust while I'm doing something else entirely. That's layer 2. And now the most important part, the part that actually makes it feel like a business that runs without you. Layer 3, automation income loop. This is where everything connects. Once someone enters the system, everything is automated. The emails are sent automatically. Digital products are delivered instantly. Payments are processed without manual work. Follow-ups happen without me touching anything. But the real magic isn't just automation. It's feedback. The system tracks what people respond to, which emails get clicks, which videos bring buyers, which offers convert best, and then it improves itself. So instead of me constantly optimizing everything, the system learns and adjusts. That's the part most people don't talk about. It's not just automation. It's self-improving automation. At this point, I basically stopped thinking of it as a business. It became more like a machine that takes attention from the internet, turns it into leads, and converts those leads into income, without me manually pushing it every day. But here's the truth nobody likes to admit. Setting this up wasn't easy at first. I had to test dozens of tools. I had funnels that completely failed, emails that nobody opened, videos that got 12 views. But every failure taught me something important, what not to build. And slowly, I started removing everything unnecessary, until only the core system remained. Simple, clean, repeatable. And once that happened, that's when things started to shift. Not instantly, not dramatically, but consistently. Day after day, the system started producing results without constant input. And that's when I realized something important. Most people don't need more ideas. They need a system that actually runs. When I first got the basic system working, I thought that was it. Traffic comes in, emails go out, sales happen automatically. But I quickly realized something important. A system that works is not the same as a system that scales. Because at small level, it feels smooth. But once attention increases, everything gets tested. So the real question became, how do I scale this without turning it into a full-time job again? That's where the next evolution started. I stopped thinking in terms of one business. Instead, I started building what I call income modules. Each module is basically a self-contained money loop. Let me explain. Module 1, Content Funnel Engine. This is an upgraded version of what I showed in part 1. But instead of manually posting or even scheduling everything myself, I built an AI batching system. Once a week, I feed the system trending topics, evergreen money ideas, of viral hooks, audience questions, then AI generates 30 to 50 short video scripts, titles, captions, hashtags, even voiceover text. Then I use automation tools to schedule everything across platforms. So instead of thinking daily like, what should I post today? I think weekly like, what direction should the system push this week? That shift alone changed everything. Module 2, AI product layer. Now this is where real income started to stabilize. Instead of relying only on ads or sponsorships, I built simple digital products. Nothing fancy. Things like beginner AI business guides, automation templates, simple funnel blueprints, step-by-step setup checklists. But here's the twist. I didn't create them manually every time. AI helped generate, structure, and refine them based on audience behavior. So if people were clicking more on automation content, the system would suggest creating more automation-focused products. It became responsive, almost like it was listening. And once these products were ready, they were plugged directly into the funnel from part 1. No extra steps, no manual selling. Module 3, fully automated sales flow. This is where everything finally clicked into place. Let me walk you through what happens now in real time. Someone watches a short video. They click a link. They enter a landing page. They join the email system. Then AI starts working in the background. Day 1, simple value email. Day 2, case study style email. Day 3, soft introduction to a product. Day 4, social proof and examples. Day 5, offer breakdown. The system adjusts timing based on behavior. If someone opens emails quickly, it speeds up. If someone ignores them, it slows down. It's not just automation, it's adaptive automation. And this is the part most people don't expect. At some point, I wasn't running the business anymore. I was just checking it, like a dashboard. Not a job, not a daily task, just a system doing its thing. But let me be honest with you, there were still problems. Because automation doesn't mean perfection. A funnel breaks, a script underperforms, a product stops converting, a platform changes its algorithm, so I had to build something else on top of everything. A repair layer. Module 4, AI monitoring system. This is what keeps everything alive. Instead of manually checking everything all the time, I set up AI alerts for drop-in conversions, low-performing content, email engagement changes, traffic spikes or dips. So instead of reacting emotionally, I react only when data says something changed. This removes guesswork completely. And honestly, this is what separates chaos from stability. At this point, the system had become something I didn't expect when I started. It wasn't just making money. It was learning, improving, adjusting, scaling itself in small ways without me forcing it. And that's when the biggest realization hit me. Most people think the goal is to make money online. But the real goal is to build something that doesn't depend on daily effort, doesn't collapse when you stop working, doesn't require constant motivation. But systems don't. Now I want to be clear. This isn't magic. You still need to set it up. You still need to understand your audience. You still need to test and improve in the beginning. But once the foundation is in place, that's when the shift happens. From working in the system to the system working for you. And if I'm being completely honest, that's the moment everything changed for me. Not when I made my first sale, not when I got my first viral video, but when I realized I could step away for days and nothing would stop. No panic, no collapse, no reset, just continuity. So if you take anything from this, take this. In 2026, the winners aren't the ones working the hardest. They're the ones building systems that keep working when they stop. Because attention is scalable, content is scalable, automation is scalable, but your time isn't. So the real question isn't, how do I make more money? It's, how do I build something that doesn't need me every second to survive?